How to fix Bluetooth audio delay issues on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issues on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to optimize Bluetooth audio settings. For that, open Settings. Scroll down, navigate to Additional Settings and open it. Scroll down, tap on Developer Options. Now look for the option of Bluetooth Audio LSDC Codec Playback or simply Bluetooth Audio Codec and tap on it and make sure that you set it to default. If you got the option, you can even set it to optimize for audio quality that is 900 kbps. Once you do that, you need to follow the second step. You can reconnect Bluetooth device. Open Settings and look for the option of Bluetooth. Simply open it. You need to remove the connected device and reconnect it. You can even toggle the button on for Bluetooth and toggle the button off. Once you have done that, you need to toggle it on and reconnect to your Bluetooth device once again. After that, you need to make sure to clear Bluetooth data and update your device. Open Settings application and now tap on Apps. Tap on App Management and now search for Bluetooth. You need to open its App Info section and clear the data as well as the cache. Once you do that, you can easily check for updates of software in the settings only and then install if any available updates. Now reset your wireless device. Reset your earbuds or wireless device following the manufacturer instruction. After completing this step, your audio delay issues should be resolved. Still having issues? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.